Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to create a database in phpMyAdmin. Let's get started. Before we begin, do not forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to never miss out on an update. Before we learn how to create a database, let us learn why do we need a database. Let us take an example of a student. A student may have multiple attributes like ID, name, gender or age. Now, if there are multiple students and we need to store their data in a sorted way, we require a table. A table is nothing but the collection of data, and the collection of tables is nothing but a database. Now let us understand how to create a database. Now, let us understand how to connect our database to our code. Here we have used different type of variables: server name, username, password and DB name. Server name will be the host where your server is running. It is usually the local host. Username will be the username, that is root. Password will be the password, which is the same that you use to access your phpAdmin. DB name will be the name of your database. In this case, we created a database named student, so the DB name is student. Then we'll run the connection file with this function, and you will be able to connect your code with your database. So guys, that's it for now. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and if you have any questions regarding this topic, do write in comment section. Thank you.